Because whatever happens in our lives happens for a reason, right? And of course, for a brighter tomorrow, for a brighter career, we will be working every day. We have to work every day. Everyone is working. Hello friends, I am CS Jaspreet. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another special fun Saturday video. I hope you all are well, you all are doing well, preparing for your exams and getting ready for a productive week ahead. Today we will be discussing about our CS students. As you will be knowing that your results are going to be declared on 13th. So we will be discussing what all you should be preparing before the declaration of the results. But before that, if you are someone viewing me for the first time, hi, I'm Jaspreet. I make videos for CA, CS, CMA students as well as members. I post a motivational video on Monday, a work study planning tips video on Wednesday, and a fun video on Saturday like this one. These videos are not just fun but informative at the same time. All these 3 videos come on the channel sharp at 6 p.m. as requested by the subscribers. So I hope you check the content I create and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you get notified. Do follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below. So let's get started with the video. Results. As the name suggests, anxious, stressed, really worried what will happen on 13th. But trust me, whatever happens will be best for you. Now I would say that most of the times we actually know that whether we are going to clear or not, because you know we are the ones who have attempted the paper, so we know how did we performed, right? Of course, sometimes we get passed by the margins if the paper was not that good and not that bad as well. But other than that, mostly we know it, right? So what all things you should be preparing before the declaration of the results. Now we know that the results will be declared on 13th, that is Wednesday, and from just the next day the exam forms will be opened. So first of all, prepare your mind, right? Your mental state should be prepared that what if I cleared and what if I didn't clear, right? I just want you to face your fears. I just want you to get ready with the end result, get ready that okay, if I cleared, I will be sitting in the next attempt, fine. I know I will be filing the form for the next attempt, but if I didn't cleared, then what? Will I be sitting in the same attempt, only that attempt, or will I be sitting in both the groups, right? So you have to be decided, because what happens once the results are out, majorly when you clear, you are happy, you are joyful, and you fill the exam forms as soon as possible, because that is a very natural emotion that comes out when you clear the exams. Of course, everyone is proud of you, your parents are proud of you, and of course that is a proud moment. You should be proud of yourself. And then you are like very quickly you're going to file the forms. But so 1% also, God forbid, you think that okay, I may not clear this time. So what you will be doing? Will you be sitting in the same attempt, or will you be sitting in like both the groups? You have to be pre-decided, because once the results are out and if you don't clear it, it's a very natural emotion that you feel sad, you feel upset. You must know it that this is how the passing percentages of CA, CS and CMA works. It's okay, you should analyze where did you went wrong and clear it the next time, right? I would just say that collect your mind and pre-decide for yourself, because you should be decided before the declaration of results only, because like from the next day the forms open, but the mental state that gets really disturbed. One thing you should definitely understand, that no fail written in your mark sheet could decide your destiny. No fail. This fail cannot make you a failure in life. First of all, you don't have to take it on your heart. That is what I'm trying to say. Just change your strategies, change your approach, and you will clear the next time, right? This should be your attitude, right? Because whatever happens in our lives happens for a reason, right? And of course, for a brighter tomorrow, for a brighter career, we will be working every day. We have to work every day. Everyone is working. What do you think? We have never seen that fail result? Of course we have. most of the CAs, CS, CMA have seen that, and today they have become successful professionals. Today they are working in their own firms or in flourishing companies, or they are working on their own passions, and that is something you should always look up to. You should never get that heartbroken. What I'm trying to say, yes, everyone feels sad, everyone feels upset, and that is a natural emotions, and of course don't suppress that emotion also. Don't try to overcome your sadness by saying acha koi baat nahi. No, just let it flow. If you feel like crying, just crying and let it go, right? It's a natural emotion and you should not suppress it also. Just let it go and collect yourself and prepare again, right? So that is why I'm trying to say, because at that point of time you feel emotionally disturbed, so you should be prepared beforehand only, that if this thing happens, what will be my next step. That way it will help you make your decision faster and then file the exam forms. And this is not just about filing the exam forms, this is also about starting your preparation, because if you are decided, you will file the exam form and you will start your preparation. So do that, right? Don't just sit and cry over what happened in the past. Make new plans, make new strategies, and make it happen in the future. That is what I'm trying to say here, right? So this should be your mindset, this should be your approach. And so prepare beforehand. What am I going to do if the result comes pass or fail? And also I want you to decide timely whether you are going to prepare through self-study or through online classes or through some other coaching, right? This is also something that I have observed in students, that they don't take up timely actions, right? They could not decide on time that which classes we are going to buy or which coaching we are going to do, and they analyze that, oh, exams have neared and we have not even seen the lectures once also, then what is the point of buying the online lectures, right? So that is what I'm trying to say. Buy them on time. That is what your strategy should be. Decided what option you're going to choose. Either you are saying, no, I'll do it on my own by self-study, or you're planning to get some physical kind of coaching like near your houses or somewhere else. Do that if you're interested, or you're going to go for online classes. My point is, just decide on time. Don't waste your 1 to 2 weeks in making decisions only, that what am I going to do. So basically, after the results, every moment is very, very precious. Just invest it and think about the next attempt. And this time, the next attempt is in December only. It is so near. So prepare accordingly, decide accordingly, and take the steps accordingly, right? And if you want to check, you can check Unacademy also. It's offering amazing courses for our CS executive students. You can go and check the app. I'll leave the links in the description box below. You can go and check for yourself. You just have to download the Unacademy learning app and select your goal and get subscription. But yes, if you plan to get subscription from Unacademy, use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. So basically, whatever the amount of subscription will be showing up on the course, you will be paying flat 10% discount by using my code CSJAS, right? So my whole point for making this video is that this is something that nobody tells you, right? This is something that we should be prepared before the results as well, because as soon as the results are out, we are burdened with the pressure of the next attempt. We are burdened. The time starts, the time clock starts, right? That these many days are left for the next attempt, and we have to prepare and we have to clear it as well. So just make sure that you are prepared about all those things, about which attempt you're going to do, if you passed or if you didn't pass. Secondly, are you going to take up for self-study, some physical in-person coaching, or any online courses, right? So just prepare your mind and be ready for your results. Whatever happens, happens for good, and whatever happens, that's completely fine, and you should accept it, right? So whatever the results should be, accepted with complete grace, and make good strategies, make good plans, and make it happen the next time, if not this time, right? So all the best from my side. CS Foundation executive and professional students whose results are coming up on 13th. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी, informative लगी, तो like कर देना. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn. All the links will be in the description box below. Bye.